some furniture that we might do, we'll use slightly different tool called fillet, so this is for next week. An arc tool, we're gonna like sporadically use it for marking, let's say, the openings and so on. But right now it's a little bit of a story for you guys about the doors, because here I get a good comment about it, and it might be a little bit, just I'm gonna enlarge the topic. So basically like this. As interior designers, although we draw things like in a very schematic way, rectangles and so on, those rectangles start to have a little bit of meaning. And let me explain right now what kind of meaning. So, for example, this one, the thickness of this door looks to be 50. This one is 50, that looks very similar, so this is 50. So if you take a meter, anybody has a meter? Oh, great. Otherwise I need to, okay, perfect. If you take this and you start to think, what does it mean 50? 50 is this kind of thickness. Yes? This kind of thickness. So I know already that this is not a glass door, because a glass door is going to be probably something around 20. Okay? So first indication for us, if you're going to draw a door, and you're going to draw it like thin like that, like maybe just really like almost like a line, as a designer, looking at your drawing, I will assume like, oh, they are probably suggesting a glass door. Because nothing is as thin. You cannot make an entrance door that is made of wood, 20 millimeters, because there's going to be just a board that I kick and I enter. So you see, so already be aware about those dimensions. And I guess Enrique probably already mentioned to you that once you have doubts, you take the tape and you measure, no? You measure your surrounding. This door is a glass door, but still a glass door in a frame. But even if I measure this, this is like 30 millimeters, let's say, okay? A door that's gonna be, let's say, of a full wood, gonna be 50, 70, or something like this, yes? So first thing to bear in mind, because it's, again, if you were an architect drawing a plan, a 1 to 100 scale, 1 to 200, the door is just a line. We don't give a thickness. But for us interior designers, we start to already draw thickness of things, and this has a little bit of meaning. So first thing, our door is the thickness of our door is gonna be, let's say, maybe not 10, but from 20 to 70. And here we're gonna start from something like a glass towards probably more and more solid doors. Okay? So this is one. The second thing about, although it's just a stupid symbol, but the symbol means something. The second thing is basically where you put the hinge, although you don't put it, but in this case the hinge is here, yes? We understand that once this door gonna close, it's gonna be probably somewhere here. I can draw this a dashed line, check. And right now it's also sometimes a very strong in like design intentions, because you might want to flush the wall. So let's say the door like this one here, it's flushed with the rest of the wall. So in this case, and I'm saying it's not a drama if you draw it a little bit incorrectly, but it's good for you to know that if I want, let's say, to draw a symbol of a door where I'm suggesting my contractor that all this is flashed, it means that the hinge gonna be here, what means that after opening, this door gonna be like that, yes? And then such a symbol gonna be a door that is flashed on this side. If the same door gonna be drawn like this, and the hinge we're gonna feel it's on this side, nothing wrong. Probably what we want is a door that flashed, that align on this side, this aligns on this side, and this aligns on this side. Okay? And this one that we do in the exercise is just in the middle. So no decision. No interior decision, just in the middle. Later on we're gonna learn also how to draw like all those sliding doors, pocket doors. Maybe I don't bother you with this at this stage. Once you're gonna start your design, probably you will ask me more. Although I can still add here more. So a sliding door, maybe I draw it, but I will repeat it, so don't worry. A sliding door, we do it like this. So a sliding door on one side has a board, then itself can be glass, can be. You see over there outside we have a sliding door. This door, it's right now. This is a sliding door that is mounted outside. We have doors that are. I have a wall. I have another wall, and I have a sliding door running outside of the wall. So this is what we call sliding, and then I can put a kind of symbol that is going in both directions. But I have also something called pocket wall sliding, the one that you can find it in our office. So the sliding door enters the wall. So then it's like this, mostly constructed at one wall. It's a little bit stronger, a little bit thicker. And I have this sliding element, and the other wall generally is just a kind of board. And I'm hiding this wall inside. Okay? So a little bit of introduction to the big topic of doors. So you know that first of all, the position of the hinge can have a meaning. The thickness of the door has a certain meaning. If you draw too thin, I will assume like, wow, everything is transparent. If it's thick, we just assume it's a solid one. And then the story about the pocket one, also for you to know. We'll come back to this topic again once you're gonna start to draw your own plans. Okay? So this is just to mention now a little bit. Okay, this shape. Let me show you how to draw it. I will firstly focus like on 1, 2, 3 on those shapes and leave the arc for later on. Leave the arc for later on. So let me draw it. So I start firstly from a rectangle. Yes, I will start to draw this first shape first. Okay, I start from a rectangle. Draw a rectangle that is 50 by 250. 50 tab 250. Yes? Good. Right now, maybe the easiest way for me to do it is gonna be take a line and draw a line of 800s in between. Yes, because then it's gonna be easy for me to draw maybe another rectangle here, or make a copy or whatever. So then I can take another rectangle. Here and type again 50 tab 250 enter. Yes? Yes. So let's do this and then we're gonna start to invent the other ways to draw the vertical, the swing. And why I will do myself a T.
this gap of now 800. When you go to the control, you always start from the this one. Then it should. No,
Does it work? Works?
yeah, then you will delete it. So,
No, not that, but
an easier way
enter.
would just be.
No. Okay, what is this going on? So